Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will create a simple payroll program using Scala or Scalable programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here machine problem. Write a program to ask the user to give employee's name, number of days work, rate per day. The program will compute the salary of the employee by displaying the employee's name and their salary on the screen. So we have here the solution. We have a series of comments here. And then we have here import Java util scanner object payroll program. Starting point of our program execution, the dev main var input. So we have here the title payroll program using Scala. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give employee's name that will be stored in our variable emp underscore name, and then internal days work that will be stored in our variable days, and then rate per day that will be stored in our variable rate. To compute for the salary of the employees, we declare another variable, salary equals days multiplied by rate, and then we display the result here. Gross pay in Philippine peso, dollar salary 5.2 decimal places, new line end of program which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then we have here the right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our Visual Studio Code. Let us run our program. Scala space payroll underscore program dot scala, the extension. Enter from the keyboard. Let us wait for the execution to take place. It takes some time, no, because there is a Java virtual machine that runs the code. Okay, our program is running right now. Let us adjust the screen first guys. Payroll program using Scala. Enter employee's name, let's say Jacob Samuel Pomperada, the name of my son. Number of days work, let's say 15 days. Rate per day, let's say 456.23 pesos per day. So it will display the result. Employee's name Jacob Samuel Pomperada. The gross salary is 6,843 pesos and 45 cents. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on payroll program using Scala programming language or Scalable programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.